Have you ever tried poaching an egg? But when you drop it into the pot, the egg white separates and drifts all over the surface of the water? A lot of people think that poached eggs are a difficult dish, something only professional chefs can make perfectly. But the issue isn't your cooking skills. It's just a few small steps that people often overlook or skip. In this video, I'll show you how to make a perfectly round and beautiful poached egg, with the egg white hugging the yolk tightly and the yolk beautifully runny. Even if this is your very first time in the kitchen, if you've failed at poaching eggs before, you're simply missing this one key secret. Let's get started. The most important factor for achieving a perfect poached egg is using the freshest eggs possible. A simple and effective way to check the freshness of an egg is to use your phone or a strong light source. First, turn on the flashlight on your phone and place the egg on top of it, shining the light straight through the shell. Observe the inside of the egg. A fresh egg usually has a round yolk sitting right in the center, with almost no large air pocket. In contrast, an older egg will have a flatter yolk that's more mobile, thinner and more watery egg whites, and a large air pocket at the top end of the egg. This method lets you quickly tell whether an egg is fresh or old. Next, crack the egg into a fine mesh strainer placed over a bowl. Hold the strainer steady and gently shake or swirl it slowly so that the thin, watery part of the egg white drains through. Removing this loose, watery white helps the egg hold a nice round shape, resulting in beautifully smooth and compact poached eggs. After draining off the excess thin white, transfer the egg to a small bowl. Repeat this process until you've prepared as many eggs as you need. I also demonstrate this with 3 eggs placed on the same plate. While sharing this tip, I'm really curious. How do you usually poach eggs? Please share in the comments so everyone can learn from each other. Watch until the end, you're sure to be surprised. For beginners, this method almost completely eliminates the risk of the egg breaking when you drop it into the pot. Prepare a pot of water. Use a pot that's deep enough to help the egg hold its shape. Place it on the stove and turn the heat to high until the water comes to a strong boil. Now, prepare a bowl of ice water. These small ice cubes will help stop the eggs from overcooking. By now, the water is boiling, so reduce the heat to low. You should just see a few small bubbles at the bottom of the pot. Next, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to the water. The vinegar helps the egg white coagulate quickly and prevents it from spreading out. And stir to create a vortex. Once you've created a strong vortex, drop the egg right into the center and leave it completely undisturbed. Just cover the pot with a lid and wait about 3 minutes for the egg to cook. When the time is up, remove the poached egg. If you want a firmer yolk, add another 30 seconds. You can gently touch it with your finger to check. If it's still too soft, put it back in for a bit longer. If it's just right, transfer the egg to the bowl of ice water to ensure the yolk stops cooking. Continue with the remaining 3 eggs. Drop them in gently, one at a time, to avoid them bumping into each other, which could damage their structure. This is the method many restaurants use when serving multiple portions at once, and it's also very convenient for busy families. With this approach, you can poach multiple eggs in one pot without needing to create a vortex each time, and they still turn out beautifully shaped, making meals quick, tidy, stress-free, and healthy. When needed, Just place the eggs in hot water for about 20 seconds to warm them up without overcooking. Poached eggs made this way use little to no oil, making them perfect for a light breakfast or a healthy eating plan for the whole family. Once you have a perfect poached egg like this, let me share one of my favorite simple poached egg breakfast recipes with you. It's foolproof and almost never fails. First, let's prepare some simple ingredients to add aroma to the poached eggs dish. Take some scallions, parsley, and shallots. After washing them thoroughly, chop the scallions and parsley into moderately small pieces. This way, they retain their fresh green color during cooking and make the dish look more visually appealing and appetizing. Finely mince the shallots. The finer they are chopped, the more fragrant they'll become when sautéed, and this will give the sauce a richer, deeper flavor. Next, let's prepare the flavorful soy-based sauce to top the poached eggs. In a small bowl, add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, then 1 teaspoon of sugar to create a balanced, salty-sweet taste. After that, add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce for beautiful color and a mild spicy kick. Stir the mixture well until the sugar is completely dissolved. A small kitchen tip: if you want the sauce to be milder and easier for the eggs to absorb, you can add a little water. When simmering, the sauce will thicken slightly and soak evenly into the poached eggs. When everything is ready, place a pan on the stove and add a little cooking oil. When the oil is hot, add the minced shallots and sauté lightly until they become fragrant. At this point, the wonderful aroma of the fried shallots will fill the air and serve as the flavor foundation for the entire dish. Then, pour the prepared soy sauce mixture into the pan. Cook over medium heat until the sauce comes to a gentle simmer and blends well with the aroma of the fried shallots. Now, add the pre-prepared poached eggs to the pan. Use a spoon to gently spoon the sauce over the surface of the eggs, allowing them to slowly and evenly absorb the flavors. When the soy sauce combines with the fried shallots, the aroma becomes truly distinctive, rich, and incredibly appetizing. If you prefer a stronger flavor on the eggs, let the sauce simmer a bit longer so it thickens slightly and reduces. On the other hand, if you like having extra sauce to drizzle over rice or dip with bread, just simmer lightly until the eggs are well seasoned. That's enough. Before turning off the heat, sprinkle chopped parsley, chopped scallions, and a few slices of fresh chili on top to boost the fragrance and make the dish even more attractive. And there you have it. The poached eggs and soy sauce are complete. When eating with hot rice, simply place a small pat of butter on top. The heat from the rice will slowly melt the butter, letting it seep evenly into every grain. The light richness of the butter blends perfectly with the salty sweet sauce and the tender poached eggs, creating a deeply satisfying, fragrant, and creamy taste, rich and indulgent, yet never greasy. The more you eat, the more addictive it becomes.